A variable is just a label. Multiple labels can point to the same object. When we say a value 5 and b value is a, Python does not create a new 5. It simply makes b point to the same object that a is pointing to. When we see in code, here create a variable a which value stores 5, and when we assign b variable the variable a, that means both have the 5 object value. It simply makes b point to the same object that a is pointing to. Python does not create a new 5 for the b variable. So here in output we will get 5 and 5 two times, meaning both variable a and b prints the 5, and when comparing the id function of both a and b, we will get true, meaning both refer to the same memory object.